target. It's just trying to get into good trade locations and not selling the new lows is tough. We're at the new lows now. You had an opportunity to sell the 78s, 79s, but that's about the best you could have got. But I think 73 is a reasonable target. If we sold at 77, our stop would be 79. Would be nice to sell the 78s, but with no retracement, it's tough because you anticipate a retracement more than a point. We'll see if it gets back up to the 78s. We're going to sell the 77s, short 277. We're not looking for a huge profit target. 73s, 74s.
Have you heard the voice of the devil? Yes.
I feel a disconnection. I have to find protection. I feel a disconnection. I have to find protection. I feel a disconnection.
We got down to 74, 75 and stopped.
Have you heard the voice of the devil? Yes.
I feel
We're going to take a couple points, 75, 50 out.
I feel a disconnection.
Really got just 3 points on that trade with a couple contracts, but the market, I don't know. We have 9 points in cumulative profit. That'll help me, but I just don't feel too enthusiastic about, holding this position. Not sure why exactly. I think 73 can certainly be hit. I just don't seem to have patience to wait for 73s. A couple points here, a couple points there. At least I have a winning day here. The trade location to be short, like I say, was up at the consolidation. When we recognized the short covering rally as it was, anywhere between the 84s and the 89s would have been a trade location. When you're selling the lows of the J period down here, I think the risk to reward is backwards. So, I think you have to shorten up on your targets. If you trade 2 contracts, 1.5 is 3 points. 1.5 times 2 is 3 points. We still have one more trading opportunity to take if we stick by our 3 losses. Right now we have 2 losses and 4 winners. We're ahead of the game about 9 points. shot here in short to 76.50s. We can get them 76.25s, short to 76.25s. And again, our profit target is tight. We'll probably look for profits in that same area we talked about, the 73, 74s, which is yesterday's value area low. The pay period just opened up. We're in trouble on this trade. That's a risk you take when you start selling the lows and try to hope for momentum, continuing a momentum. You get a counter rally here. Just a little early with a 2-point stop. We got to revisit the 2-point stop. And today we didn't have a whole lot of opportunity besides the selling the upper end of that consolidation. It's not a real great rotating market today, that's for sure. See if the 77's hold. We'll pause video. Looks like that was too much passive selling up here. See the 35 to 35, 18 to 25. Now we need to hit the bid. I'm not going to target much past 74 or 73. Running out of time with the video, so we'll pause here. Looks like we're in trouble now. They popped it back up and they're retesting this area. Our stop's at 78.25. We need to hit the bid after this action. Now that's it. 78.25. It's probably coming up now in a second. And that'll be our third losing trade today. We still had a positive day, but a mediocre day, if you ask me, based on what I should have done. I think we're in trouble though over the next couple of days. I think the short covering today and the short covering yesterday is going to create a negative bias in the marketplace. There it is, 78.25, we're out. Alright, so +4 on that. Let's see where we are for the day here. We didn't make a lot. Had 5 points for the day. Coming up now, we have a new month to think about some different things. I'm going to review some of the activity in January. We've tried a lot of different things in February. In March, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do in March. I'll have to think about that. We might continue doing what we did in February and keep the status quo and see if we can refine our entries and our exits.